Hello, my name is Rahamat Bakhari. I am from Malkangiri, Odisha. I have completed my graduation from East University, Berhampur, and I have joined Pyspider in February 2024. The skills that I have learned or the topics are covered during my Python full course are Python programming language, which consists of basics and advanced Python, and I have learned SQL. I have learned web technologies, which consists of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Here the faculties are very good. Their teaching methods are very the teaching concepts are very crisp and clear. You don't have to search here and there for any other concepts, and during the course the various mock tests and grooming sessions are held. That helps me to boost my confidence very much, and from here Pyspider I got placed. Overall my experience in this institute, in this Pyspider is very good, and I would like to thank the faculties like Likhit sir, Lavan sir and Prabhudatta sir and the whole Pyspider team, and thank you.